Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Maps JavaScript API so the browser can load maps. Create an API key now and restrict it to your domain to prevent misuse. That's critical for security. Make sure billing is enabled. Google requires a billing account, but you get $200 monthly credit, which covers many small sites. Once done, copy the API key. You'll paste it into the site's header in the next step. You place the Maps JavaScript include in your page head, inserting your API key and specifying a callback like init map. Next, add a container div with explicit CSS width and height so the map can render. Browsers need that. In your init map function, create a new Google Maps map using coordinates, a zoom level, and optionally a marker and info window for clarity. Once done, test locally and on your domain to verify the map appears and reacts to controls. You finalize by integrating extras like places autocomplete or geocoder when you need address search. This improves UX significantly. If showing many points, implement marker clustering or custom icons to keep performance smooth. When something fails, open the browser console. Common causes include API key restrictions, disabled billing, or incorrect referrers. If the map shows a gray grid, double-check quotas and console errors. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.